Hey, what's up everybody? Landan with LMR.com. My favorite day of the week, and y'all know what that means. It's dyno day. If it's your favorite day of the week, let us know down in the comments, and while you're there, let us know what you'd like to see us dyno. And if it's something reasonable, we'll go out and get that vehicle, and you'll probably see it on the dyno. Before we get rolling, if you appreciate the content, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more dyno videos, make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you are notified every time we do release something new, and you're always tuned in with the real enthusiasts. So what we're doing today, we have Tyler D's newly acquired 2015 Mustang GT. Tyler D is an employee of LMR, and if y'all are subscribed to the channel, y'all probably remember his other 2015 Mustang GT that he had, deep impact blue in color. It was a full bolt-on car with nitrous, made a lot of power. Tyler had a lot of fun with the car, but at the end of the day, we're car people. You get bored with something, you want to move to the next best thing, and that's what he's done here with his newly acquired 2015 Mustang GT. This is magnetic gray in color, very similar to his old car, and of course, as some of the mods, this one's a little bit more rowdy, I guess you could say, because it is boosted via a ProCharger D1SC kit. It's making about 12 pounds of boost, and it does have all the supporting mods to coincide with that ProCharger, such as a GT350 intake manifold with the IMRC still in place, oil pump gears, ID 1000 injectors, booster pump, a meth injection kit. Oh boy, that's pina colada. BBK long tube headers, off-road mid-pipe, a Corsa 3-inch Catback with their sport muffler, which by the way, that thing's pretty rowdy, so I can only imagine the extreme. Rest in peace, eardrums. T56 transmission instead of the MT82, so that means our pulls be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Aluminum drive shaft, 373 rear gear, because this is a performance pack car, and those cars were equipped with the 373 Torsen differential. And then that is an SVE R350 in satin bronze, and that's wrapped in the 305/35/19 tire. The car does have 93 octane fuel in the tank, and it is tuned by Lund Racing. Pretty sure that's all of our technical data. If we may have forgot something, pick it up real quick, take a look at the results. So enough of me jibber jabbering. We're gonna take a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's take a look at some numbers. Tyler D's car is making some pretty good power. 677 horsepower at 6,900 RPM and 544 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 RPM. Now, we live here in the state of Texas, and it's actually a pretty crisp day outside. But here in our facility, it's about 60 degrees with the relative humidity being pretty low, so it's a decent day to do a dyno pull, especially for a boosted car. Now, Tyler's car, or this particular car, has made more power on other dynos, but let's be honest, guys, every dyno is going to be a little bit different. All that aside, he loves the car. He drives the crap out of this car, and I can tell you, it goes with that really big blow-off valve. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications. We'll catch you in the next one.